Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are ready for holiday magic. I am super excited to start sharing my holiday content with all of you. And in today's video, I am so excited to partner with Balsam Hill for the first time to share some beautiful holiday decor and a gorgeous Christmas tree that I got for Kaylin. Thanks Balsam for sponsoring part of today's video. If you know me, you know that it was time to change the window treatment to bring more light into the space. Then of course we have to rearrange the space to make space for the Christmas tree. I went ahead and vacuumed and map, my little favorite machine ever. And then I'm doing that, and then I'm going to set up the new rug for this area. It is absolutely stunning. I will link it if I find a link, but it has those perfect tones of silver and neutral, which I'm bringing sparkly glam back this year for the holidays, so stay tuned for all the holiday magic happening in this channel soon. So I was done setting up the first Christmas tree. I was excited. I had to do a little dance. Hey, hey, hey. Was done downstairs. I headed to Kaylin's room to prep her area for her first Christmas tree, you guys, and I am currently obsessed. I wanted to get a Christmas tree that will grow with her, and I decided to go with the Balsam Hill Silverado Slim Christmas tree, and it is the perfect tree for this area. I'm telling you, the quality, it's amazing. It comes with the bag to store it. It comes with everything you need to assemble your tree, from instructions to gloves to this cool little bag here with tools in case you need replacement on the balls or anything. I honestly love the quality of this Christmas tree. It looks extremely realistic. Wait until you guys see it now. Setting up the Christmas tree was extremely easy. It comes with a click connect technique that you just have to connect, and it just plugs in. You follow that arrow, as you can see there, and the Christmas tree will light up. So there's not a lot of work to it, but I could give you a tip is to, fluff your tree by section, as have you seen me do there. And look at these branches, you guys. They look so real. Honestly, this Christmas tree is beautiful all by itself, but of course I am in my girly era and I am decorating my first girly Christmas tree, and I needed to add some girly touches to this beautiful tree. And here I am adding this beautiful big pink bow that I got, and also this beautiful ribbon that it's like curly, and it just gives us so much texture to the tree.
Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart.
Check the description box to shop this beautiful tree and use my code to save $50 on your purchases of $350 and up. Don't forget to check the link.
Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. And I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas time.
I was done decorating Kaylin's room. I headed downstairs to get started on my front porch for the holidays, but of course the sprinkles went ahead and wet all my boxes, but that's okay, you guys. I found the perfect rug for this area. It is an outdoor rug, and I love that it was like very light neutral color, but then again it had some design with the green and the black. I thought it was perfect for the holiday season.
Always be Christmas in my heart. But this year
So this year I wanted to keep the decor in my front porch very airy, but give it a touch of the holiday season. And I found the perfect pieces to do just that at the Balsam Hill website. If you're not familiar with them, you guys need to check them out. Check the description box to get all the links because they have beautiful seasonal decor, the most realistic Christmas trees. You're gonna love it. Trust me when I tell you.
Whoa, oh, oh, la da da da, oh, 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 la da da da, oh, 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 la da da da, making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to
These
say
beautiful LED poinsettia pot fillers are so gorgeous, you guys. They come in red as well and another color, but my goodness, look how beautiful. They come with a battery operated LED light, and it also, you can set it up on a timer. So this is just stunning and nothing scream poinsettias for me for the holidays. So here are these gorgeous ones that you could get at Balsam Hill. They are super realistic. I mean, the video is doing no justice to this. I also got the matching wreath because, of course, we're gonna be festive in here.
and I've been longing to hold you close, forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it
This year, one of my favorite items was definitely this one, and it's a oversized ornament, and this one it's LED. I love that it's with the metallic color and it's white. Look how gorgeous this thing is. It could be used indoors and outdoor in a covered area. So I'm gonna be putting them here for now, but I'm gonna be using this on my patio this year. So stay tuned to see how I finish decorating the front porch on my next video.
home to me? And when we wake up in the morning, I'm gonna play those carols that you love. We'll be singing all the melodies until the sun comes up. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me.
Some Hills also has a great collection of beautiful ornaments. Look at these beautiful glass ornaments. Check the description box for all the links on these gorgeous ornaments and stay tuned to see how I decorate my Christmas tree coming soon.